Hello, math enthusiasts. This puzzle has the title Old Car Travel. An old car traveling from Los Angeles to San Diego cruises at the speed of 21 miles per hour. After reaching to San Diego, the car immediately does a U-turn and returns to Los Angeles at the speed of only 3 miles per hour, courtesy to a flat tire. What is the car's average speed over the entire journey? That's the puzzle. So, to calculate the average speed of the car throughout this journey is equal to the average speed is equal to the total distance the car will travel over the total time. So the total distance that the car will travel will be 2x, assuming that the distance from the one place to the other is x. The car will travel 2 times this distance, one to go from Los Angeles to San Diego, and the same distance to return back from San Diego to Los Angeles. And the total time will be T1 plus T2. T1 is the time that the car needs to spend to go from Los Angeles to San Diego, and T2 is the time for the way back. So to find T1, what we have to do is time needed is x over v1, which v1 is the speed of the car, constant speed for the journey from Los Angeles to San Diego, which is provided to us is 21 miles per hour. V2, which is the constant speed for the way back from San Diego to Los Angeles, is also provided is 3 miles per hour. So we know the velocities for the 2 trips, and also now we can find T1 by substituting V1, which is 21. T2 now, which is the time needed for the way back trip, is equal to x over V2, which is equal to x over 3. Go back now to the initial equation that we'll use to calculate the average speed of the car for the whole trip. So going back to this equation, is 2x over T1, which is x over 21 plus x over 3, 32. So now we'll work the denominator of this fraction, make the two fractions having the same denominator. So we'll multiply the second fraction by 7. So now both have the same denominator, which is 21. So now this is equal to 2x times 21 over 8x. Now we can conclude that the average speed of the car for the whole trip is 2 times 21 is 42 over 8, which is actually equal 5.25 miles per hour. And that's the answer of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more maths related content. See you soon.